Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make salt and pepper chicken. Chicken breast, slice off the side and we're going to slice it into cubes. As for the big piece, you're going to take off the top and we're going to adjust the chicken. So we're going to slice it down into 3 rows and then we're going to slice it into cubes. Same again, slice off the side, trim off the top and cube the chicken accordingly. And there you have it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to marinate the chicken. In a bowl, you're going to add some salt, about half a teaspoon, a little bit of MSG, less than half a teaspoon, some white pepper, sesame oil. You can even add a bit of chili powder if you like. 1 egg. Adding the egg provides moisture for the chicken and makes it more juicy inside. Give it a quick mix. Make sure the chicken is thoroughly coated with all the marinade seasonings. And we're going to leave it to one side. As the chicken is marinating, we're going to prepare some vegetables. You can use different vegetables for salt and pepper, but I would recommend the following. Onion. You'll only need about half. Peel the onion, peel off all the excess skin. Into the bowl. Spring onion, just 1 is enough. Half it and cut it into about 2 centimeter long. Carrot, about that is enough. Cut it into strips. Green pepper. You'll only need about this much. Again, slice it into strips. And finally, some chili. Probably that is enough. We also need 2 more ingredients for this salt and pepper mix. This is dehydrated garlic. I'm going to use half a teaspoon for this dish. You can also use normal garlic. About 1 clove is enough. And some chili and garlic sauce. This is for extra flavor and I'm going to use about half a teaspoon again. So when you've put all the ingredients together, your bowl should look a little something like this. Now we are also going to make a salt and pepper seasoning mix and I'm going to show you how. In a bowl, add some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 2 sugars, some Chinese 5-spice powder, half a teaspoon, and some white pepper. This is going to be your salt and pepper seasoning mix. You can make a large amount of these and you can store it in a jar and use it in the future. Give it a mix. Now I'm going to teach you how to batter the chicken. Before we do that, we're going to heat up some oil in the wok. As the oil is heating up, we're going to batter the chicken. So, get your chicken back. You're going to need some potato starch. Let's start with half a bowl. And you're going to need a sieve. You're going to coat the chicken in the potato starch. And then when you feel like it's still very moist, you're going to add a bit more. So we're probably going to need a bowl of potato starch flour. So make sure it's evenly coated. As you can see here, the chicken has been coated in the starch. And you're going to need an extra bowl. You're going to put the chicken in the sieve. You're going to shake it. Again, give it a shake. Shake off the excess flour and into the bowl. And there you are guys. That's how you coat your chicken in batter. Now when you fry this, it'll be nice and crispy. You can also use cornstarch, but it's best to use potato starch. Now we're going to fry the chicken. So the oil is heating up now. Back on high heat. How do you know when your oil is ready? Get some water, flick it. Now you know it's ready. Chicken into the wok. Turn it on high heat, let it set for a few seconds before touching it. And now you can flip it slowly. Push the wok. To make sure it doesn't stick, turn off the heat, give it a few seconds, let the oil set. As you can see, the chicken is forming its shape and it's solidifying with the flour. Back on high heat. We're gonna let it fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn it on medium heat and give your chicken a quick check. You don't want to burn the chicken. Break up the pieces if they're stuck together. As you can see, chicken's becoming really crispy now. As we approach the final minutes, the chicken is becoming golden brown. We're going to turn it back on high heat. This is what you should be going after. Crispy on the outside and it's cooked on the inside. Give your wok a quick wash. Heat it up again, oil, vegetables, quick fry, chicken back in, toss, off the heat. Now you're going to add the seasoning. 1, flip it, and again 2, and that's all you need. Any extras, you save it. Toss it a few times. Now if you like, you can add some Shaoxing cooking wine at the end, around the side. This will give it more fragrance. And now we're ready to serve. Put some sesame seeds if you like. So there you are guys, that's how you make salt and pepper chicken. Thanks for watching, see you next time.